Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction on this OPPO. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. Then you need to click on Keyboard and Input Method and select Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!